This week, we're putting a healthy spin on chicken satay with a spotlight on coconut oil, rich in flavour and energy. The satay sauce is a combination of peanut butter, lime juice, maple syrup, bone broth powder and hot chilli, whisked till smooth and creamy. Next, we melt coconut oil in a pan, add garlic and turmeric and stir in cauliflower florets. Squeeze in lime juice and cook for 2 minutes. Assemble your Nourish bowl on a bed of brown rice and spinach, along with fresh veggies, shredded chicken breast, sesame seeds and pepitas, and your satay sauce. And finally, garnish with coriander and sprouts. Delicious.